Number 19, looking at the answers, it's going to be an absolute value inequality type problem. And then because there are numbers or variables in your answers, it might also be replacing variables with numbers, but most likely absolute inequality is going to win here. At a bottling company, machine A fills a bottle with spring water. Okay, that makes sense. And machine B accepts the bottle only if the number of fluid ounces is between 11 and 7/8 and 12 and an eighth. Okay, so they're saying that N has to be greater than 11 and 7/8 and less than 12 and an eighth to be accepted. This is for machine B. If machine B accepts a bottle containing N fluid ounces, okay, and purposely, usually I'd write X, but I knew N was coming. Which of the following describes all the possible values of N? All right, so these are the requirements, and the easiest way of doing this type of problem is doing the absolute value inequality first by doing the first equation of absolute value inequality, meaning drop the walls and just solve. Okay, so notice that N is going to be an inequality. It's either going to be greater than or less than. You see how A is equal to? There's no way. A's out immediately. B's out immediately because of this equal to. All right. Now let's take a look at C here. If we had N minus 12 is less than 1/8, and you move that 12 to the other side with algebra, you get N is less than 12 and an eighth. I like that. We'll keep that one open. Look at D. You got N plus 12 is less than an eighth. You move that 12 over, and you're going to get N is less than negative 11 and 7/8. You can't have negative values on that, so D is immediately out. This one, we got N minus 12 is greater than an eighth. You solve right away for N. You get N is greater than 12 and an eighth. That one's out. You're immediately done. Okay? Now, just for the sake of absolute value inequality, I'll show you the other equation of C that works. The second step is writing down what you see, flipping the sign, negating the other side. Okay? We move the 12 to the other side by adding. You're going to N is greater than 11 and 7/8. That works out here, and the first equation worked out here. So definitely the answer here is C.